Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of a problem. See, here a lot of people messed up because see, the raised to power over here is 2. So the maximum value for x is what, raised to 2. That means x will have 2 values. A lot of people thought that value of x is just 6. Okay, that is one answer, but there has to be two answers because the raised to power for x is 2. Okay, so now please understand, let's take x minus 4 the whole square as a square is equals to 4. Now in order to find the value of a, we need to take square roots on both sides, and when you do that, the square root will always have a plus minus sign. See, if a variable is involved and when you want to take a square root for the variable, the final answer will always have a plus minus situation. Okay, so here we can say the value of a is either plus 4 or minus 4. So here we can say a is what, x minus 4. So let's take it as x minus 4 equals to 4, or we'll say x minus 4 equals to minus 4. Okay, so now what happens over here is, sorry, the value for a is plus minus 2. So this becomes x minus 4 is equals to plus 2, or x minus 4 equals to minus 2. So when you want to find the value of a, x over here, just shift this negative 2 on the other side. When you do that, 4 becomes positive. So you have x value as 6. The next time, again, here also when you shift the negative 4 on the other side, it becomes positive. So you have minus 2 plus 4. So here also the value comes out to be just 2. Okay. So here we can say value of x is either 6 or 2. Let's put it over here. So 6 minus 4 the whole square gets you 2 square, which is 4. Then we have plus 2 minus 4 the whole square, which is getting you minus 2 square. Now square of a negative number is always positive. So that is also getting you your RHS. Therefore, we can say value of x is equals to 6 or 2 for this particular question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.